Alright, so I should slow this down so you can see the whole question. So I have some sort of vector linear space S with this ordered basis. So where S is, remember, is the sum. Oops, sorry. S is where everything has to sum to 0. So this is in S because 2 plus 1 plus negative 3 is 0, and that's in S because 0 plus 1 plus negative 1 is 0. And 5 is also in S because 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 3, that's all equal to 0. So I need to find the coordinates for this thing with respect to the spaces. So what I can do is I figure out how to write this is equal to A times the first one plus B times the second one. And then my coordinates will be, so maybe I'll write this at the bottom because I'll have to do it anyway. 5, negative 2, negative 3 with respect to the spaces is going to be equal to AB, which equals, I'll actually figure out what A and B are, and this is going to be the final answer. So I just need to figure out what A and B are. And notice here, so you can do this completely algebraically, but the key thing here is that you can't get anything from the first component out of the B. So what I need is that, well, maybe I'll go through this. Negative 3 is equal to 2A is in the first component, then A plus B is in the second component, and negative 3A minus B is in the last component. So I get 2A is equal to 5 by just comparing first components. A plus B is equal to negative 2 in the second, and then negative 3A minus B is equal to negative 3. This tells me that A is equal to 2.5, so I can plug that in there. I can figure out 2.5 plus B equals negative 2, so B is equal to negative 4.5. Like so. And now I really hope that this ends up working out because I have 3 equations, and I need for this to hold, or otherwise I'm in big trouble. So that's negative 7.5 plus 4.5. Is that equal to 3? Negative 3? Yes. So when I have A being that and B being that, all the equations hold. So this is a linear combination of these two elements which form the basis, and I can figure out the coefficients. So the coordinates are just plugging them in like that. So I can write this as coordinates like that. We're done.